The following is an opening statement at a press conference from attorney Izaak Schwaiger regarding a federal lawsuit that was filed alleging that on May 28, 2015, deputies at the Sonoma County Jail beat and tortured up to 20 inmates over the course of 5.5 hours.
You know, yesterday in U.S. District Court in San Francisco, a lawsuit was filed alleging serious and systematic violations of the civil rights of two young men incarcerated at the Sonoma County main adult detention facility. Those two inmates, Danny Banks and Marcus Martinez, will likely have their complaints joined by other inmates as the details of this case become better known. At this time, we have named as defendants the County of Sonoma, Sheriff Steve Freitas, Lieutenant Mazen Awad, and Sergeant Brian Galloway, as well as does not named 1 through 50. We expect that the number of defendants in this case will also increase as the video evidence, which we believe exists, is disclosed by the Sheriff's Office. Since the filing of this complaint, we have received a categorical denial from the Sheriff's Office that any torture or sadistic activity actually took place. In that regard, it's important to note that when we filed a previous lawsuit against the sheriff and jail staff in December of last year, which involved the tasing of a handcuffed man 23 times, also filmed pursuant to the jail's policy, the sheriff's response to that beating and torturous behavior was that it was within the policy of the Sonoma County Jail and that there was nothing to see here. So with that in mind, Sheriff Freitas' categorical denial of allegations of torture doesn't carry very much weight with us. We know what the sheriff thinks is okay and what he thinks passes for policy. So that he denies that these events were torture while not denying that they actually took place is of no serious concern to the parties of this lawsuit.